Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers and all my viewer watchers. And you've been wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. That's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all your comments. I hope I've been getting back to them as much as I can in Mr. Belle Kitchen. So today I'll be doing something different in Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing some air fry. I haven't did no air fry with no fish in this Power XL. So today I'll be doing some air fry. Couple of my watchers, they want to see me do some air fry. So today I'll be doing something entirely different in the Power XL. Today I'll be air frying some milkfish. This is the way the milkfish look and everything. As you know, if you haven't seen one of these kind of fish, this is it right here. The milkfish, nice and healthy. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna open this milkfish up. When you open it up, all the bones is out. It's boneless and everything, looking nice and good. I'm gonna cut just a piece of this tail off of this right here. And my ingredients today, I'll be using half a teaspoon of creole season, a half a teaspoon of garlic Parmesan, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a lemon. I'll be squeezing on it, and I'll be spraying my pan with a little olive oil. So those are my ingredients today and everything. So I'm gonna set the Power XL, get that going and everything. Like I say, this is my first time doing air frying something in the Power XL. So today I will be air frying. Hope it come out delicious and everything. So Mr. Belle will be right back. I'm gonna move some of these items out my way. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this Power XL on air fry. As you see, it's on air fry. And I'm gonna set my temperature, it's set for 375, so I'm gonna press the timer, and then I'm gonna set my minutes. I'm gonna just set it for like 20 minutes. This is my first time, and I'm gonna press start. Let it get heated up a little while I season this up. Also, I haven't mentioned it, but I'm gonna be using some celery out my garden. As you see, it's nice and good. I can see what I'm using. My leaves is nice and green and everything. So I'm gonna use these. You can cook with this celery leaves with all different kind of things, and they are very fresh. They just came out my little mini garden. So I'm gonna be using these too on the side and everything. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just season this up a little bit, and we're gonna get started just like this. I'm gonna squeeze a little lemon on it first. You get that lemon all in there like that. So it'll be tasting nice and good. Grab my hand. And I'm just gonna put this season on like this. Just put it in there just like that. So this is gonna come out good. And you can use whatever kind of season you want when you're doing it. But me, I'm just gonna start with this, like this. This is my first time, and I'm gonna put it on just like that. That looks nice and good. Get it all over, just like that. And I'm gonna take my other season, and I'm gonna just put it on just like that. Make it nice and good. That. Then I'm gonna take my little salt. I'm not gonna use all this salt, but I'm gonna just take a little bit of it. And I'm gonna just squeeze a little more lemon on it to get it nice, good and wet, so it wouldn't be flying, the season wouldn't be flying everywhere, fly off the meat and everything. So kind of dampen and let it soak on there like that. So I'm gonna set all this right here to the side, and I'm gonna open it up, and I'm just gonna spray it for a minute. Spray it. Spray it just like that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in now. I'm gonna sit it in now with this spatula, like that. And I'm gonna close it and let it go. We're gonna be looking at this together. Mr. Bell will be right back. I'm gonna readjust my camera so you could, when we take a peep at it, we could look at it together. You know, Mr. Bell like taking you step by step. So I'm gonna move the camera. You're not gonna see my face, but you will hear my voice. For all my first time viewers, as this is cooking, wash your dishes as it cooks. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for the roommate. Don't leave it for the kids. Don't leave it for your friend. Wash the dishes as she goes. That way everyone can enjoy the food. They don't have to worry about who's gonna wash the dishes, and everyone will be happy. We're gonna take a sneak peek at this right now. You know Mr. Bell like to take you step by step. We're gonna see how this is coming out. As you see, it's been 11 minutes. It's coming out pretty nice and everything. I'm gonna just lift it up a little bit so you can see that's coming out real nice and everything. I'm gonna put the top back down, let it finish cooking. Okay, we have 5 minutes left. We're gonna see how this coming out on the 20 minutes. It looks like it's coming out pretty good and everything. That's looking good. So I'm gonna close it and let it finish it up. Let it finish it up, and we're gonna see how it look in 20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna see how this look. I have 1 minute left. Oh yeah, that's looking real nice. That is done. I'm gonna let that 1 minute go. We're gonna take it out. Okay, it's circulating. We're gonna take this out. I'm gonna press cancel. And I'm gonna unplug it. And we did all this in 20 minutes. We did this in 20 minutes. As you see, it's looking good and nice and good. We're gonna sit it over here. And this right here is your air fried milkfish right here. Came out good and everything. I'm gonna just get a little piece from right here and take a bite of it and see how it come out. We're gonna have this with some rice. It's good. The seasoning is good. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! You will subscribe to Mrbelleskitchen. Thank you. And this is it.